We're back with another Shadowbrook renovation update. Starting with the paperwork, permits were officially secured this past Friday, so the heavy lifting is now in full swing. This project has some unique challenges we're excited to tackle. One of the biggest structural hurdles was the exterior. We had an exterior wall that had been pushed out 3 inches by an explosion. Our team successfully moved that wall back into its proper place and fixed it permanently. Next, we are looking at the roofing and structural repairs. A brand new roof is currently being installed on the property as we speak. We've also completed repairs to several of the trusses that were broken during that same explosion. Moving to the interior updates, the wood-burning fireplace has been removed to change the space. And in the utility room, we're currently replacing those charred boards with brand new ones to ensure everything is clean and structural. With the structural repairs moving forward, we're finally getting this project ready for painting. If you've got a house in Indy that needs a fresh start, call KK Buys Indy Homes to get a cash offer.